mode so I can see everyone. How many of us are there?
We are, I think, 9 of us.
I can only see 7.
Okay. So I think there are some just in the midst of joining in. But the idea is, stars meet heroes. And that was the entire idea that we had. Okay. These guys are right at the forefront of the COVID-19 war. I think they're absolute national heroes of ours. We are also seeing patients and delivering them, but they are right there in the front. I think it's a very, very hard time for all our doctors. They are at the forefront. They cannot meet their families. There's so much despair and there's so much trouble that they're going through. We are working in PPEs and we are sweating it through the day, not eating, drinking, or using the washroom. They're not getting to meet their families and they're not getting to meet their friends. And the idea was that what could make them smile? I mean, we don't want them to think of COVID at all. And Nusrat, they were so eager to meet you. So I'm so happy that you decided to come on board with us and just take your mind off for half an hour and just let them have a good time. So, Nusrat, let me tell you guys that she's not only an amazing actress, which you all know, but she's a wonderful human being. She's a great friend. She's totally humble. Okay. So I think it's amazing to know her. And Nusrat, now it's all yours. So you go on and I'm going to stay put.
Hi. Okay, there are a lot of people. I can only see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 people and her up there. Actually, no, 6 people and her up there. I don't know where the others are. And some of your mics are off. I don't know if you guys are going to talk. If you're not, then
the mics are off so we can hear you well, and then they'll put it on and talk to you.
Okay, cool. So you all can all see me and hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Good. I can see this everywhere. Perfect. So tell me, I mean, मैं तो घर से एक दिन के लिए भी नहीं निकली हूँ पूरे 3 महीनों में. I've been at home from I think the 7th of March all the way up to now, and the thought of stepping out and going out my building का area also is scaring me. I feel like मुझे कुछ हो जाएगा या मैं घर पे लेके आ जाऊंगी कुछ. I don't know how you are braving it every day going to the hospital. Like it's amazing that you are doing this. And believe me, I said this to a friend of mine who's also a doctor, but he's not here. He's in Australia. I told him, I said, if I had any skill of a nurse or a doctor taking care, even if I was like just a helper in and around, I would have come and done it because I think I had that thing in me कि मैं बैठ नहीं पाऊंगी अगर if I could help people in some way and I am not able to, मैं बैठ नहीं पाती. So I mean I totally get what you're doing, but I'm totally amazed कि तुम लोग इतना कुछ करते हो यार. She was telling me on the call that you all don't go home, that you all are quarantined for 4 days after going to the hospital. I was like, no, really, over and above all of that you all do.
It's
So
like,
someone please talk to me.
It's just like we work for 7 days. We work for 7 days and 7 days we are quarantined. So that's how it's going for now.
But then the 7 days that you don't go, what happens to everybody there? Like, who takes over? I mean,
we divide our duties. Like some of us work and then some of us are in quarantine and then we shift it. So presently I am quarantined for 7 days.
Correct. Sorry, Sanjana, you were saying something?
I said there's a timetable. So all of us, we work in shifts. Even every day, we have the shifts divided. Like sometimes we have morning shift, sometimes afternoon, sometimes night duties. So it goes on for 1 and then we have 6 days quarantine so that we don't get any symptoms. In case we have to get it tested. So that's for our safety as well as our patients and our colleagues, everyone else's.
Oh my God. Okay, let's not talk about this anymore. The point was to have fun. We'll have fun. Tell me what you're going to do. Okay, let me say hi to everyone first. So I said hi to Sanjana and Shubham. Hi, Anushka. Hi, Karthik. Oh, hi. There had to be a Karthik in this chat, right? Guys. Hi, Amar. Hi, Krishna Priya. Correct बोला मैंने. Krishna Priya, आपने आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Yeah, okay. That's good. That's perfect. Okay, let's go to the next one. Anushka, I said hi to you. I did. You've come back here.
Yes,
okay,
you did.
Hi. Dr. Yogesh, hi. And Amar,
hi,
Amar, I said hi. That's it, right? I said hi to everyone.
Yes, you did.
Perfect. Okay, so come on, tell me. Let's have fun. क्या करना है? ऐसे silent
You
नहीं
tell
बैठ
us your
सकते.
doctors, we
Rule
are not
है,
that used to having
silent नहीं बैठ
right.
सकते because see, I'll tell you what. मैं तो आपको आपके काम के ही सवाल पूछूंगी and I'll talk to you about COVID only. So I don't want to do that at all. So you have to ask me some fun things that you all want to ask me and we'll chat about anything.
Anusha, do you want to tell them
Abhi
how
tak-
you were spending your days at home?
Okay, that's Bhagesh and thanks Bhagesh. How I'm spending my day at home. So I have had a really hectic life the last 2.5 years, I think. Matlab, I have not been in Bombay for more than a week. Within a week, I'm flying to some city, I'm in some event, I'm at somewhere or the other, and my parents and my family have not spoken to me for 10 minutes properly in the last 2.5 years. So ये जो 2.5 months आए हैं जहाँ मैं घर पर ही हूँ, firstly it is an absolute shift from what my cycle had become, and my family and my cat. I have a cat who now he believes that I'm part of this family, and I'm one of his members because he kept thinking कि ये तो guest appearance में आती है और चली जाती है. He wouldn't come to me for the first I don't know how many months, but now in this lockdown he's become like my pet. I can call him my pet finally. But yeah, I've been at home. My family is really happy I'm at home. My dadi, mom, dad, they're all senior citizens. Mom and dad are all 62, 67 and 87. So it's very difficult for me mentally to kind of prep for everything. मतलब कोई दूध वाला भी आता है तो एक प्रॉपर सिस्टम बनाया हमने कि हमने एक बकेट के अंदर होल डाल के धागे बांध दिए हैं like a rope, and we drop it down from the first floor and the doodh comes in there, and then I get it up and then I sit and clean everything, and then people in my house are allowed to touch it. So I have just been supremely paranoid with all these safety measures, and every day that my day goes, so half my day goes in only cleaning and washing and sanitizing, then the other half goes in cooking. Sorry, what, Shubham, you were saying something?
We just hope everyone is following in the same way.
I hope
This
they
is
are.
our routine basically.
Yeah, I agree. I can't.
We
Like
know everybody is not following in that way.
They're not
We
following,
know,
right?
we just
Yeah.
keep an
Yeah,
eye.
that's why
Nobody's
Maharashtra
following
has the
it.
highest level of COVID patients, right? If
Right
they
now
were
I am
following, I think they would have
Right now I
spread so
am
much.
in Juhu at a hotel, and like I can see people roaming around freely, and like since the 1st June there is like unlock phase 1, so people are roaming freely. They are coming out for cycling. They are
Oh my.
jogging, walking around. They are even going to beach. Like I also went to beach just to see the sunset. So like
Which
I am
beach?
one of them.
Which beach? My question is which beach?
Juhu beach.
I live on the Juhu beach. So which hotel are you at?
I am at Bava Continental.
Hi, this is right down the road. So of course Juhu beach is right here. I can from my building walk onto the Juhu beach and take a walk there. But I haven't even done that. Like I'm that scared, and I'm that actually I'm just a little scared for people at home. I think मैं खुद पे शायद फिर भी अगर कुछ ऐसे लेना हो तो शायद ले लूं, but for them I can't take the risk. So मैं
The
तो
whole
घर
idea
पर
No, we are not scared
not
anymore.
just for you. It's not just for you.
But I
Actually,
think
it's just
everything aside,
yeah. It's just not for me. I know it's for everybody. Like whoever I come in touch with, whoever I could be in conversation with, and the guilt. In case like I'm asymptomatic, and in case I have it, and no, Baba, I too can't survive. I will die of guilt only. I will like listen. I don't want to.
but I think it's given
I'm
us
not
a very good opportunity to connect with our family and talk to them regularly.
So we've
You all
got
do
two
or you all
more
don't?
people. Sorry, we've got 2 more people who joined in. And Anusha, because everybody's behaving very nicely, I'm going to ask you the question. I want to know from all these roles that you have done, what has been the most fun thing for you? I want to know one episode in your life which has been like really fun.
Oh God, yeah. So in PKP2, they had made me the designated joke, right? Like so, I would walk on to set and they would all laugh at me. That's just how I remember that one Chiku character. Oh God, I don't even know why they thought of it like that and why they made me play that. I'm far from it. But so they had made me change the way I walk also. I have to walk like I have, I don't know, butterflies in my feet. So I had to constantly jump up and walk. It was terrible. So from the time I would come on set, the joke was on. It was almost like Chiku's here and we have to make fun of her. And of course she was dumb, as in she didn't know much.
Yeah.
If someone said Tendulkar is playing in this match, I'd be like, oh yeah, and I'm wearing a Tendulkar t-shirt, but he's retired and I don't know that. So they're all making fun of me all over again. So, but I had to play that out even in real life on set, because that's just the prep you do to get into a character. So I was the joke of the set every single day of PKP, and I hated it. So I knew they were. I mean, it was work, and under the pretext of working, they were all really taking the piss out of me, guys. मतलब क्या मेरी खींचते थे वो लोग, मैं बता भी नहीं सकती हूँ आपको, बता भी नहीं. Like there was a point where मैं vanity से बाहर नहीं आ रही हूँ. Short के time पे.
series coming.
When is it? When is 3 coming?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is it in process or something? Is it in process or something?
I have no clue, Shubham. Trust me, I think I'll be the last one to know in the whole unit. Not because of anything else, because every single time they do, they talk about, like, when PKP 1 happened and they talked about doing 2, I was the last person who found out that 2 is happening. So I was just like, oh, we're doing 2. Okay, great. I mean, I don't ask questions and I don't get into that aspect of who's making it, who's writing it, when we are doing it. तो इसलिए मुझे information मिलती नहीं. तो अगर 3 भी बन रहा है तो मुझे तो बिल्कुल पता नहीं है. जब I think आप लोगों को पता चलेगा तब मुझे पता चलेगा कि अभी 3 हो रहा है. Anyway, hi Abhijit Mankar. I'm sure that's not your name.
It's Madhushri.
Hi Madhushri. You're using somebody's iPad like my mom's. Yeah, I know. Get it. Hi.
Hi. You look very beautiful.
It's the lights over here. Trust me. It's a mandate. These lights are on and all recordings happen in front of it. It's not me.
I think we could all say the same that, oh, it's the lights, that's all not looking so good today, but it's not.
Listen, doctor, you've done something. You've also put on some lights. I can see it on your face. Don't do that.
Vishal, I have put on a hairband because my hair is white and I can't go and get it colored, okay? I'm badly stuck.
Oh, achha, yeah. Oh shit, I didn't even think of all those things. But yeah, let's not go there, guys. Please. I don't want to think of those things.
Let's not.
So anyway, और बोलो किसने क्या नहीं बोला है कोई तो. Karthik, why aren't you talking, yaar? I'm used to Karthik constantly talking, so please stop. You gotta tell me something.
Hey, come on! Once Karthik starts, we'll not be able to say anything.
No, this Karthik you can stop. I'm sure. So say.
I'm not getting.
I'm very talkative. I don't know why.
What is, Karthik, tell us what has been your most, what have you seen in the last 2 months that has really touched you? Tell us anything that, you felt, oh my God.
I have seen many patients only. That means if I start speaking, you may get depressed and all.
No,
not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Trust me, not at all. It's absolutely okay.
Means I have seen some young patients which for whom I couldn't do anything, or when my shift ends after 2 days, I didn't see them, and I had a relative. I had a talk with a relative on phone, and the patient was too stable, and I think she was his wife, and he passed away a day ago. It means I couldn't sleep that night. I felt very bad that stable patient could. That some things are not in our hand.
Yes, they're not.
Couldn't help it.
Yeah.
I know. How do you all deal with it? Yeah, I mean, when I see somebody dying in a movie, I start crying and I go home sad. So imagine if I see them in real life, so मैं तो not made for it. I'm a complete emotional wreck.
I can imagine.
But we can't hold on to it. We have to.
If you are a doctor, like you have to put the emotional side slightly away. Like you feel bad for people whatever from their whatever disease they are suffering, but other side you have to treat them, and some of them might not survive. So that is the part of our life. Like in movies, not every movies get success as much as for you, what is movies for us? It is like patients. So it is the same thing for us.
But did you always want to become an actress?
Me, no, yeah. I think in the beginning, I had weird things. I wanted to become a air hostess because I wanted to travel the world, and I thought air hostess बन जाऊंगी तो flight में हर दुनिया की हर शहरों में travel करते रहूंगी. Till someone told me कि नहीं, अगर आपको एक ही सेक्टर मिलता है तो आप सिर्फ बॉम्बे से दुबई जाओगे और दुबई से बॉम्बे आओगे. So I was like, oh, cancel.
Once in a life, to be an air hostess.
So I dropped the idea of air hostess. Then right next to my college there was a law college, and I was very fascinated by it. So I said मुझे law करना है. And then they said उसमें तो 8 साल और लगेंगे. So I said okay, cancel. ये भी नहीं करना है. Don't ask me. I've gone through ups and downs of trying to pick something. Then for the longest, I wanted to be a producer because in college I had started organizing events and intercollegiate fests and all of that. तो मैं वो backstage वाला काम नहीं होता, वो भागने दौड़ने का मजदूरों वाला काम है. I was a मजदूर literally in college. I used to love that. I would love putting something together and bringing it to stage and bringing it to life. And I never went on stage. Like I used to only be in the wings and like सबकी क्लास पीछे से लगाती थी, मैं खुद आगे नहीं आती थी. पता नहीं कैसे किसी ने मुझे एक एड दे दी, फिर एड से पैसे मिले तो मैंने कहा ये तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, तो दूसरी एड की, फिर किसी ने एक टीवी शो दे दिया, फिर वहां से मुझे किसी ने फिल्म दे दी. I mean, I kept auditioning and things just fell in place. So I honestly, I think sometimes you say ना कि some things are meant to be and आपका path पे by hook or crook universe puts you there. With me that's happened because I never took it seriously in the beginning. I was just having fun. I was a kid. I said करना क्या है अभी, तो सोचूंगी क्या पढ़ूंगी, क्या प्रोफेशन लूंगी, तब तक I'll do this for time pass. And यही बन गया, मतलब वो बनते बनते बना. And then I was here. So yeah, it's been a discovery.
Which was the first advertisement you did? Like whatever the first screen, first show.
Like, I can't believe you asked me this. It's terrible. As long as you don't
know personally, because I don't know.
Okay, fine, I'll say it. But nobody here can put it up anywhere, okay? Because I don't.
I remember.
Good thing.
No, what was that? Asan was the main. Oh God, Chandra, don't say anything more. Shush, you'll give it out. God. So anyway, I was one of the 4 background girls dancing with us.
Okay.
That was my first time.
I'm gonna check it out today.
Yeah.
This is what I was afraid of. No.
So don't worry, this doesn't go.
Good.
And
Please,
which was
it
the
can't go.
first TV show?
First TV show.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh God.
I'm digging up something.
You are.
It was Kitty Party on ZTV.
Okay.
Yeah,
Kitty
it was
Party?
years ago. Kitty Party, yeah. So it was right before, or I think after QQ used to come on Star. So QQ के बाद, क्योंकि साध्वी कपूर थी के बाद का एक एपिसोड Z पे आता था Kitty Party. Don't ask. Why? Don't ask. But yeah, I did that.
That was after 11:30.
Yeah, it was after 11:30. It was allowed, it was adult.
Come on, but Akashvani will be always one of the most favorite movie of yours, at least for me.
How sweet, yeah, Shubham. Really, you picked my favorite because. Sorry, you were saying something.
Akashvani, that was my favorite of you.
I'm sure most of us, for us, Akashvani was the.
Thank you. It was one of my most favorite too, yeah. I mean, if I had to pick, I would pick Akashvani hands down anytime. Anytime. It was a very, very close.
Oh, you know, दिल तोड़ तुझे जाने की इजाजत आज भी है.
Exactly.
The शायरी was outstanding. Oh, I still have goosebumps when I hear it. I'm like, बहुत अच्छा था यार. That time was also very interesting for me and Karthik and the whole team because we were young and we were like doing this film which was so emotionally taxing for us, but still so beautiful that I think we evolved as people during that film. So
I feel like yours and Karthik's career is like really inspiring, yeah.
Yeah, see now here also there's one Karthik. I think we are just connected only. I don't know how.
The way you guys are gone, it's so inspiring. Like,
Thank you, yeah, guys. Thank you. But let me tell you, Shubham, I swear to you, we are actually one of those lucky bunch. नहीं होता कि कुछ लोग थोड़ा नसीब लेके आते हैं ऊपर से. We are definitely one of those because I've seen actors who are really good and they don't get the career graph or the standing. Yeah, really. Like they come and they go and you are like, oh, you were in that film. My God, I remember that film. But
Akashvani, I used to think like, where are these guys? When will they come back? What will it happen? And then all of the sudden, Pyar Ka Panchnama happened, and then it's part 2
Then this
happened.
happened. Yeah. But we didn't think of any of it. We didn't know we were going to do a Pyar Ka Panchnama 2. कभी नहीं सोचा था, but हो गया. होते things fell in place.
होते प्यार का पंचमा 3 भी हो जाएगा.
I hope so, yaar.
Yeah, I really hope so.
Sanjana, for us, you should really hope that now it is from the girl's point of view. Because अब हो गया यार.
Definitely. Because लड़कों का बहुत हो गया. बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो गया.
कितना सुना मैं तो I can't. मैं तो monologue नहीं सुन पाती हूँ. Not because of anything else, because I'm like बहुत हो गया यार. अब और information नहीं चाहिए मुझे. I need a new perspective now.
Thinking that part 2 will be about girls, but then the story came out to be again in favor of guys.
No way.
Yeah, so you see there also we were conned. All manipulated us. कहते नहीं अब part 2 लड़कियों वाली होगी, but फिर भी नहीं हुई, लड़कों वाली हुई. नहीं, अब we are not falling for it now. मैंने तो बोल दिया, मैंने कहा 3 अगर लड़कियों के point of view से बनाओगे तो मैं आ रही हूँ, नहीं तो मैं नहीं आ. Get lost. So anyway. और बोलो next. Anybody else? No, nobody else has joined, no? Only this much, right? I'm not missing anyone. Oh, Ziba is here. Hi. Ziba. That's her name, right? My name, but hi.
Acha, tell me how do you wear those 6-inch high heels and dance like in a sari, like that red sari, and your eye kind of like talking for like more than 1 hour? How do you do it?
Not more than 1 hour. I'm in those heels from say about 9-10 in the morning to about 6-7 in the evening till they don't pack. So that's almost like a 10-12 hour shift. I don't have a way out. Yeah, लड़के लंबे हैं तो मैं क्या करूँ अभी? क्या कर सकते हैं लाइफ में? I'm sure nobody's come up with height वाला surgeries, right? कि जहाँ कुछ bone add कर दो कि मैं लंबी हो जाऊँ. वो एक चीज में 100% आके कर लेती. कुछ भी बोलो, मैं वो एक चीज तो 100% कर लेती. Because God, the heels are painful, yeah. They're really painful. There's no, I mean, जितना आसान लगता है वो बिल्कुल नहीं है. मैं एक सॉन्ग के शूट के बाद 4 दिन घर पर होती, like just putting heating bags and Bolognese and don't even ask what all to get back to walking straight. So it's terrible, yeah, honestly.
So maybe for this quarantine period, no, during the lockdown, all the heroines, they must have gotten a rest period, you know, free from heels and everything.
Free from everything, like makeup every day, oh God, your skin is gone. Hair every day, you lose hair. It's trust me, it's not easy. Like it looks very nice from outside, but नहीं हो पाता यार, बहुत मुश्किल है. So I'm so very happy that I've got a 3-month break from all of that. Like my life is still going on, काम वाम हो रहा है, but वो every day जो set पे जाके करने की बात थी ना, everything is very happy. Like my entire body is very happy कि थोड़ा torture कम हो रही है for some time. So it's a good break.
हमारा तो अलग torture
Granny may say कि give me a break now, Nusrat, go to work. We've had too much of you in the house.
My family, no. In fact, now they've come into that headspace of कि कितना अच्छा लग रहा है तू घर पर है, कितना स्ट्रेस था जब तू काम करती थी यहाँ से वहाँ, तो अब तू घर पर ही रहे. It's become that. I have to fight it. It's a task. I have to get them used to me not being at home anymore. No.
Are you doing all ghar ka kaam just like all of us? Like I've seen you with the vegetables, mom and granny.
No, you know, I have my days, to be very honest. हमने ऐसे duties divide कर दिए थे. जो my mom makes खाना primarily, दिन का is hers.
Like
Sorry, कुछ बोला आपने? Somebody said something. Did I overlap them?
She said just like
okay,
us.
I'm continuing.
Go on.
Just like y'all. Correct. So I would do roti in the day with mom. Then afternoon is generally my break sort of thing after lunch. Sometimes I do dopair ke bartan. Sometimes my dad does it. My mom and daddy don't do it because my daddy doesn't do anything. Thankfully, they don't make her do anything. Then afternoon is a little bit of a break. फिर शाम को वही साफ सफाई झाड़ू पड़का जो भी करना होता है. फिर dinner के बर्तन. It's the same routine. It's the same routine. Means somebody
Just
says
like,
Most
just like all of
in period, I guess most of the doctors over here, right?
Sorry?
What?
Most of us are quarantined, I guess. Like all the doctors over here.
Yeah, you're all
Not-
not.
I have duty tonight, not me.
I also have duty.
Yeah,
I
guys.
You
I
also
have
have to take.
emergency on call today.
It is my 4th day. I'm completely free. Zero work.
I'm also free.
7th day and completely free. Going
my
freezing. I don't know when I
Free
need
in
to go
Juhu.
back now. Did you ever
अच्छा
want to be
लोगों
doctor?
के
Nisha? Did you ever consider being a
me
doctor? Yeah.
I don't have the skill for it. मतलब मैं इतनी पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकती हूँ, but I have the heart for it. If you can understand what I'm saying. I mean,
Oh.
do I have that thing of taking care of someone and like ailing for them and like helping them? Yeah. But skill नहीं है यार. Like I
अरे
know
तो
कि
Okay, you
क्या
can
क्या
just
animals
play
बन
the
जाओ
part.
क्या? अरे तो क्या क्या?
अरे ऐसे for helping someone, you don't need to be a doctor. यार. Come on, you can help like by n number of ways. Like doctor
That's what I'm
क्यों?
saying. I was about to say कि मैं ना जब कहाँ से आ रही थी यार, I was in Jai Hind College, so I used to travel by train. So there are a couple of times I've seen people at the station like injured and lying down and out, and some of them were drunk and passed out, and I thought something happened to them. So I would pick them up and sit with them at the stairs of the station and try and get them back, and then call their somebody, and I wouldn't leave till somebody's not come and got them and all. So मतलब वो सब बहुत किया है मैंने लाइफ में. Of I can't turn around and walk away.
Then you just come to know कि वो drunk है और कुछ नहीं है उसको.
हाँ मुझे पता नहीं चलता था. How do I know? I was thinking,
So you never know.
he is going mad. कुछ गड़बड़ है बेचारे अंकल ऐसे पड़े हुए, तो मैं उधर बैठती थी उनके साथ कि
But that is so sweet of you.
So any
yeah.
bad
So I'm saying I
experience
have the heart for
that,
it.
like
I don't have
every
the brains
time,
for it.
like so
Sorry, who's
you might
talking?
have
I
done it.
can't.
You might have done it many times. So anytime it like rather than helping, it turns out to be like he get mad at you or something. Someone.
नहीं यार टच वुड अभी तक नहीं हुआ. अभी तक नहीं हुआ. अभी तक
अच्छा.
नहीं. Thankfully ऐसा कुछ गलत नहीं बना. I don't
कभी
know if I'll
कभी
be able to.
अच्छा करते करते हाथ काले हो जाते हैं ऐसे.
I'm sure.
Has happened to all of us, I guess.
Like it is a very common part of our life, being a doctor.
Yeah.
Like
I agree.
Great.
Listen, Krishna Priya has not said anything. I'm not going ahead till she doesn't say anything. Unmute your phone, Krishna Priya, and say something quickly. There you go.
That is
Video
very
that-
sweet of you that you stayed back for them till their family members came back. That's not everyone, and that is not most of us would do. Everyone is
No,
in their own hustle bustle, running everywhere from one place to another.
No, you know, I would like to believe that everybody would want to help, but some people genuinely feel कि कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो जाए या कुछ गलत ना हो जाए हमारे साथ, तो वो शायद वो डर, because I have I mean I've heard stories also where you know they get stuck in a like a bigger mess than trying to help out. So I would like to believe कि हर इंसान वो थोड़ी इंसानियत लेके आता है और करना चाहता है but शायद डर जाता है. I would like to believe it. अब देखे कैसा चलता है.
Like that dialogue, पहले अपना ऑक्सीजन मास्क संभाल लो और फिर उसके बाद दूसरे को ऑक्सीजन मास्क.
True.
You're trying to be the real air hostess.
in the Mumbai.
Yeah, at least in some ways.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so do we have any questions or are we going to wind up? Because, you know, we are going to be off in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Do any of y'all
Anybody who's not said anything yet is my only thing. Dr. Yogesh, did you speak or have you not spoken? You've just sat there.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear
कुछ
me, ma'am?
बोलो यार. कुछ बोलो. Last
Yeah,
5 minutes है.
मैम मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने आपको इंस्टा पे फॉलो करता हूँ. मैंने इंस्टा पे आपका मूवी का पोस्टर देखा था, द न्यू कमिंग मूवी शोरी. तो कैन यू से समथिंग अबाउट दैट?
यार आपने वो मराठी फिल्म देखी है लपा छपी जो आई थिंक 2017 में आई थी? नहीं?
No, ma'am. I am from Gujarat. I didn't watch any
If
Marathi
I'm from
movie.
Gujarat, yeah. Where from Gujarat? Where in Gujarat are you?
I am also from
I am
Gujarat.
from Ahmedabad.
Oh,
Ahmedabad.
and you, Amar?
I am
Where
from
are you?
Dahod. Like you might
Dahod
never
ka you?
heard of.
Dahod.
Acha, above. I'm from Bharuch. Have you all heard of Bharuch?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Acha, Nusrat Bharuch. My
Exactly.
mama stays over there. My mama stays over there, so I go quite often over there.
I have not gone in a lot of years, but
You must be knowing about Bharuch ka Khari Singh and everything.
Singh is
and
famous for
Singh.
Ah.
Correct. When we go there, we get packets. Incorrect. So anyway, let me finish Dr. Yogesh's question, otherwise ये खत्म हो जाएगा. तो anyway, मैंने भी देखी नहीं है वो मराठी फिल्म क्योंकि मुझे मराठी समझ नहीं आती है, तो मैं देख के समझ भी नहीं पाती. But the film did really well, yeah, in 2017 when it came out, and it's got a very like very special and a very important social message. और मुझे ऐसी फिल्मों से मैं बहुत impact होती हूँ. If I can make a difference, मतलब comedies बहुत की मैंने. I want to do something where you know I can say something more to people who are watching me, and if I can impact them in some way. So when this film came about, I was just very taken with the fact कि मैं ये ऐसा एक subject करूँगी जो मैंने पहले नहीं किया. And ये subject normally नहीं बोला जाएगा, ये एक horror film के अंदर बोला जाएगा. But इसमें actually कोई ghost नहीं है. The horror is about how humans treat humans actually. So I thought it was very very interesting, and I'm waiting यार. अभी तो हम थोड़ा script पे काम करेंगे. कब shooting पे जाएंगे पता नहीं है मुझे. But I'm excited कि ये film थोड़ा मुझे बहुत मजा आएगा.
We also excited.
My co-actor. There's no co-actor. There's the ghost and me, I think. Or the evil and me. There's no co-actor.
But you are saying that there is no ghost as well. Okay, there is a ghost.
There is evil, but the evil is not in the form of a ghost, if you can understand that. The evil is say
I'll
body.
see it. I'm not getting it, but I hope I can
Then,
understand it.
Dr. Amar, don't try and
Do
get
you mean
it.
to say that it
Don't
doesn't have
watch
a
the
physical
Marathi film,
form?
come and watch my film, and you will get it.
Yeah.
Evil is some person, or evil is something every human is doing around you.
That, you're right. That is the evil. That is the evil. And not every human, some humans. So it's one of those malpractices of our Indian society, which is kind of मैं इतना नहीं बोल सकती यार.
Pack up.
No, cancel.
Pack up.
I'm not giving you.
I love movies where women is in the lead. Women.
Thank you. Thank
This is
you.
the golden phase going for you right now, I feel.
Sorry.
This is the golden period, like all the women-centered movies are coming.
That's what I hope it continues. As long as you all spend the money and come and watch it, then it will continue.
No. I thought we were all invited for the premiere. Yeah, come on.
Yes. Oh, shooting
Definitely
हो
should be.
अभी मुझे जय का नाम भी याद नहीं है मुझे अभी properly. Okay, now Zeba, you're going to quickly say something or this is going to end. I have to remember you, Zeba, otherwise no premiere passes. So say something fast.
Should we say bye or like pack up in the
love to come to the premiere.
Oh, अच्छा ये एक last line बोली थी. याद रख लियो. चलो
guys, before we wind up, can we do like I want to take a picture.
Okay.
Can you just look at the camera and smile? So I'll take like a picture for
Please take a
this one.
Let's go. Now this is when you all are being actors, okay, guys? Come on. I don't need to teach you all know it. Let's go.
You know, all the girls immediately went into a pose. They did their hair.
I know.
बेचारे बंदे ऐसे ही बैठे थे, कुछ नहीं किया उन्होंने.
White smile.
Okay, come on, smile, guys.
Okay, look into your camera. Please don't look at yourself.
लड़कियों को देख रहे थे.
जल्दी ले लो यार.
Okay, look into the camera and smile.
You know, you need to hurry up.
Okay, nice. Okay.
You have to turn left and right, guys. Profiles. I'm teaching you.
How many pictures are you taking?
I don't know.
Okay, done.
Look at the camera for too long. We are not used to it. We only look at like laparoscopic cameras, okay?
Yeah, I know.
So thank you very much. First, thank you, warriors. You know, we are all
thank you, guys. Really, thank you.
Yes, we are so dependent on you for
thank you.
Hats off to your courage. I know many people are positive and you go back and you're there, and that's why people like us can do the limited work that we are doing. So thank you very much. And Nusrat, I don't know how to thank you. You've really got a smile on your face. They're going to be, going home with this forever. So thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Anushka. Thank you, Sanjana.
Thank you so much.
I forgot because your name is there. Yogesh, Zeba. Have I missed anybody? Krishna Priya, Amar. I got it all right.
Yeah.
Bye.
Me?
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
And your name is Abhijit. You need to tell me your name again.
Oh, my name is Madhushri.
Madhushri. Okay. All right. Bye, guys. See you.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night. Thank
Bye,
you.
everyone.